Check out this lawn. Hey there guys, Ben here, and I got the straight edge here. As you can see, we've got some serious lawn to cut today. Now, you probably don't believe me, but this lawn is almost 2 feet long. No, it does go both ways. The lawn is out of control, 2 feet. I'm gonna mow the lawn with an electric lawnmower, out of control. 50 centimeters or 2 feet, which is just out of control.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castle in the sky. Just the two of us. You and I. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Building castle in the sky.
Alright guys, there we have it. Unbelievable job from the Masport mower. Proof is in the pudding. Lawn is like so nice. As I said, this Masport electric mower had the guts to do the job, and honestly, it's pretty amazing that electric lawnmower can get through grass like that. Proof is in the pudding. We have a 240 litre bin. It's about 3/4 full. So we're talking nearly 200 litres worth of grass. So there we have it guys. Hopefully you found that video useful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe, and ciao for now.